Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to walk you through how I got unlimited tokens in Top 11 2026. As you can see on my iPhone, I've already tried it, and I've got a huge amount of resources. I'll show you exactly what I did in just a moment. The process is really simple. You don't need a computer or anything complicated. Just watch along and follow the steps I show you. By the end of the video, you'll understand how it works and be able to try it yourself. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that background app refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser. In my case, it's Safari. And go to the website called pluginrise.com. Pluginrise is a website where you can find many apps and games with awesome features. Once you are on the website, search for Top 11 and click on it. To get started, simply click the download button and give it a moment to install. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a little bit. But once it's finished, you'll automatically be redirected to a page that says Installation Completed. At that point, the app will pop up on your home screen, and you're good to go. Now, if it's your first time using the site, there are a couple of extra steps to complete, but don't worry, it's super simple. You'll be directed to a website with a video tutorial that walks you through everything step by step. All you need to do is install a couple of apps from the App Store or Play Store, depending on your device. These apps are completely safe and secure, so there's nothing to stress about. Just follow the instructions and you'll have no trouble at all. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.